Hello, welcome to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to show you how to customize your product details in just a few clicks. First, the regular layout, clean and simple for a classic shopping experience. Next, the bubbles layout, a modern, playful style that highlights your content. And finally, the animated bubbles. Bring your products to life with motion and dynamic detail. You can also change the buttons of the product detail. Choose from squared, rounded, rounded 2 with price, double rounded, double horizontal. Pick the one that matches your brand, adjust colors instantly, and preview it live. Let me show you how this layout looks on the mobile app, and this change it's instantly, no need to publish a new app. With Feng Cart, every detail of your product page is customizable, and the changes are live instantly. No coding required. Try it free today and launch your app in minutes. See you in the next video.